Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers. So first you have to come this website. This is gigabyte.com. Okay, and then go to this search button and enter your model number of your motherboard H60 H610M D3H WIFI DDR4 and then hit enter. So this is your motherboard and click to product, title of the product. Click on support. Select operating system which is your required Windows 10, 11. Okay, so select any because installations process same. You can see this video and you can install it. VGA driver, VGA driver, and this is total size and this is download. Just click to download, it will start downloading. I already download this one. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So it will close automatically, means this is installed.